What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, I'm going to be fixing my Galaxy S10, which is messed up. I was using it for a while with a broken screen and now it just started flashing, so that kind of sucks. I didn't want to pay $170, $180 for a new screen, so with our sources, we were able to get one for, believe it or not, 38 bucks. It's rated as has some slight defects, so we're gonna see exactly what kind of defects this has. So join me and let's go ahead and swap all the parts from this one onto this one, and let's see how bad it really is for $38. So if you guys haven't joined our team, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training, get that 5-day curriculum, and you'll get access to all of our sources, our contacts, our Facebook group, which is growing very rapidly. It's at 700 people now, and you'll get all the tips and tricks that we provide for all the 911 Gadgets members. See you guys in the group. Alright guys, so I've been using this Z Flip, but I've got somebody who wants to buy it from me, and this one is like worth more than this S10 because it's newer, it's more attractive, etc. And honestly, every time I drop this one, I don't know, I'm scared. So I don't like having brand new stuff just for that same reason. But again, I bought this one for just 38 bucks, guys. Seriously, if you guys want to know where I got it from, please join our team. And we will all share all our information there. So I hope you guys understand. So here we go. Let's start off by taking the back glass off. So I was using... Oh, this one's already cracked. I can see the crack right here. I was using this phone. Okay, this was my primary personal phone for a long time, and it had this bad screen on it, which I don't mind, you know. And oh, there it is. It just broke even more, but that's fine. I have the special pick for these back glasses. Okay. It's just I don't have it on here right here. Let me go grab one. Hold on. All right, so that's a perfect example of why you need the special picks, which are found in our toolkit. I'm gonna leave a link for the toolkit. I'm gonna put it on sale. I'm taking it $30 off. So check it out, and I'm gonna leave this until I'm kind of low on inventory. So, all right. So you see the thickness. You see what happens, right? This one was already cracked, so I don't feel too bad about it. That's why I didn't stop myself from using this one. But you want to use this thinner one, and it won't crack your back glass as easily. So again, you go in it with the blade, then you swap it for that pick, and you see. And again, this one was already cracked right there, but there you go. Okay, I'm gonna heat this up. Can't wait to see what kind of minor defects. For 38 bucks, it might have some pretty significant ones, but we'll see. All right. Okay, we're going to take the SIM tray out. There it is. And to start off with this bottom part, it doesn't matter which part you start with, guys. Here's that. Okay, unplug the battery. Since I'm going to be using this phone, I kind of have a feeling that I should replace the battery while I'm at it. Should I replace it? I don't think so. Let me leave it on. I don't think I had too much complaints about that. So here's the screen. There's that. Okay, we've got your charging port. Your charging port screws. Alright, we've got that. We might have a motherboard screw up here somewhere. Yep, it's right here. Perfect. Now we're going to pick it off. Here's this part. I don't think we need to take it off, but we'll do it just in case. All right. And there it is. There's that board coming out. Stuck. I think it's stuck here on the port. There it is. There you go. There's the motherboard. What else do we need to transfer? It looks like this speaker is already here. Okay, that's good. Anything else that we may need to transfer over? There's a little gasket in there that I'm gonna bring. Okay. Put that right in there. Okay. What else besides the battery? Okay, there's a little shield that's already here. Anything else? Anything else? Let's look at the bottom. Looks like everything's there. All right. The top. Yep. Everything's there. The SIM ejector rubber, it's right there. Yeah, looks like everything's on there already, guys. The buttons, this here, anything on the sides. All right, guys. I think that's about it. It's not too bad. Let's heat this up. And let's see if we can pop this out with no trouble. Yep. I'll save this just in case for now. Okay. Let's put this on here. Get the cable out of the way. And this camera up here. Okay. Connect it. Okay. Put this auxiliary input, which I've missed. There it is. Here's that motherboard screw. Goes up here. Let me see where it goes. It goes on here. This should have a screw. Okay, yeah, the screw goes after the for the auxiliary port right there. It goes after that black housing. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like, guys. So I hope you guys are too. Alright, let's turn it on real quick and see what it's gonna look like. Okay. Doesn't look bad here, actually. Let me see. That's just from the plastic. What? So far it doesn't look bad. I don't see any spots. Oh, here it is. Jeez. That one right there. I can live with that, man. So yeah. Alright, so here's that. Yeah, I can actually live with that, guys, okay? What do you guys think? Is it worth it for 38 bucks to be able to have a usable phone that you won't really care about too much if it's going to, if it falls and breaks? So you're watching YouTube. Yeah, that's not bad. I have a smaller one on my business phone too, so like this one here. You see that one right there? That one's, I barely even noticed that one, but yeah, so I can live with this. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and seal this back up. Get some alcohol and just clean that with a little brush. You see that? That's part of the new screen, actually. So there it is. All right. So there you have it, guys. There's the new screen. It's actually not bad, you know. I mean, if you see it at an angle, you can see some waves a little bit from the refurbishing. You know, like right here. You can't really see it on the screen here. On the, you see the wrinkles a little bit. Again, you can't really see it that good on the camera. But yeah, here it is, guys. Let me know if you want to find out where I got this screen from. Join our team. It's secret CIA top classified information. Anyways, I'm gonna put it back in this case and start using my phone again. Hello, hello. So, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.